So Daniel, do you want to share how much you made since joining our coaching program?
Yeah, so far I'm at 6,500. I'm a little over 2 months in. So month one was 1,500, month two was 2,500, and then this is month three, 2 days in, and I'm at 2,500.
And just for everyone to know, just this is December 2nd, right? Just we just
Correct.
started the month, which is awesome. So
Yeah.
this month should be a killer month for you. Can you tell us like what it was like before and after joining this program?
Before I didn't really understand how like the social media part worked. So I've definitely learned from you guys like how to get some views and interactions and stuff. So that's been probably one of the bigger helps in terms of like I didn't know anything about sales. So that was helpful as well. And then also just setting stuff up. Like I didn't know how to set up the payment processors or the scheduling or any of that.
Mhm.
So that's also been pretty helpful.
Now, what has been your favorite part of the program so far?
Let's see. Probably some of those Canva templates are easier because I have no
Mhm.
idea how to do any of that. Or at least the videos, I mean, I don't know what works, but at least I know how to film and kind of edit. But the Canva stuff has been pretty helpful, the easy templates. And then honestly, do the calls with you, like adjusting my stuff. So adjusting the social media and all the little stuff I would have never thought about.
And then like one final question before we jump off.
Yeah.
What would you say to someone who is on the fence about joining this program, like kind of doesn't feel unsure so far?
I would say if you feel confident in your knowledge and you feel like you know your stuff, like I feel good as a trainer, as a coach, then it's worth investing in. It's I know you guys aren't here to teach us how to be trainers, but if you know how to coach and you know how to get people results, it's worth trying out.